So I've got my 2 hops bread all loaded up with some vegetables. So this is going to make a quick lunch for me today. It's some vegetables with paneer. I have some cauliflower florets cut into really small pieces, some frozen peas and carrots. These always come in handy. So I always try to keep some frozen vegetables in the fridge, especially when I have to hurry and make lunch in the morning before I get to work. And I have some frozen paneer as well. So I'm going to saute this with some Italian herbs, some salt, and a little piece of pimento pepper and garlic. And I'm going to stack that into some hops bread, and that's going to be my lunch today. So I want to keep this on medium flame because you don't want the veggies to burn, right? And it's going to cook really fast. So I'm going to add the paneer now. I think they were in a hurry to get into the pot, so we'll jump right in there. So I've just added in the Italian dried seasoning, just about 2 pinches, and about 2 pinches of salt, because it's a really small amount of vegetables and paneer. You don't need that amount of seasoning. You can add more depending on your taste and likeness. So I just added in just barely a pinch of hardee or turmeric powder to it and gave it a good stir. I covered it and had it cook for about 4 minutes or so, just until the veggies are halfway tender and the paneer is cooked through. And that's it. Turned off the heat. If you think that your pot is too hot, make sure and monitor the heat. You can turn down the heat as low as you need to, because you don't want your veggies to burn. So this is my quick vegetable cook up this morning with paneer, and that's going to go into some hops bread or burger buns for lunch. So I've got my 2 hops bread all loaded up with some vegetables and the paneer. Don't they look just so pretty? And it's nutritious because paneer has protein in it as well, and as vegetarians, protein is so important for us. So that's something you can make quick and easy. It took me not even 15 minutes with prep and cooking and in between filming. So if you don't have to film, obviously it's going to take a lot less time. So enjoy. So I'm at work today. I've got my 2 sandwiches here, and I'm going to get down on one of them right now. So delicious. Everyone a little thing, you could add some pepper sauce to it to make it spicy, but I didn't put any pepper because I'm at work today too. So try the recipe. It's really simple and it's very quick. I've mentioned that like a gazillion times already. You can adjust accordingly. Use how much salt, how much seasonings you want. You can even add green seasonings to it if you wish. My vegetables did not cook for too long, so it still had that crunch, so it wasn't like soggy and mushy, you know. So try it and see how it turns out. You can drop a line down below, let me know, comment, tell me how yours turned out or what you use differently, and you know, if your family enjoyed it or if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.